Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to talk about pagination and the pager. How you can, navigate through pages with all those buttons, and arrows, all that stuff. So for pagination, as you can see, I've created a container. Inside that, I'm going to create an unordered list with UL, and I'm going to give a class of pagination. Close this, and inside this, I'm going to create a list using li, and I'm going to create a link. So I'm going to create a anchor tag for that link with a reference of nothing, and I'm going to add a special character code of HTML. If you know the character code, it goes by and sign, and whatever the character code you're using, I'm using the left angle quote, and add this, and I'm going to close this, and I'm going to close the list. I'm going to create another list li. Inside this href tag, and I'm going to name this 1. Close the anchor tag, and I'm going to copy this link. Let's say 4, 5, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to add another one, and this is going to be the right angle quote. So and sign RAQUO. So I'm going to save this and preview in the browser. And as you can see, this is the pagination, this is the left angle quote, and this is the right angle quote used by the HTML character codes. It's a normal HTML. So these are all the pages. You can add links to them. You can also disable one of them and make active one of them. For example, I'm going to make this one disable. So I'm going to add a class inside the li tag, and the class is disabled. And I'm gonna make let's say the third one active. So I'm gonna add a class and make it active. Save this, preview in the browser, and as you can see, third one is active, and the left angle quote is disabled. You can also control the size of these. For example, in the UL class pagination, I'm gonna add another class with pagination of, let's say, LG, large size. Save this. And as you can see, this is large. You can also use the small one. Medium one is by default the medium. So this is a small one. That's it for the pagination. I'm going to talk about pager now. Pager, what is pager? I'm going to create a break right here. And now I'm going to create an unordered list with a class of pager. Inside this, I'm going to create my lists. I'm going to add a link with href tag. Link is to nowhere. Name is, let's say, previous one. Close the a tag and close the li tag, and copy this. And this is the next one. So I'm gonna save this, preview in the browser. As you can see, we have the previous one and the next one. These are the pager. You can also align them, the previous one to the left side, the next one to the right side, using the aligned links. I'm gonna go to my and copy this, add a little horizontal break, HR, paste this, and in the first one, I'm gonna add class of previous. And in the next one, I'm going to add a class of next. So, and also I'm going to add a little arrow with the previous one, the left arrow with the previous one, and the right arrow with the next one, using the HTML character code again. So the character code HTML of the left arrow is and sign LARR, and for the right arrow sign we have and sign again RARR. So I'm going to save this and preview in the browser. And as you can see, this is the previous one with the left arrow and the next one with the right arrow. You can add this arrow to the right hand side by just adding this to here, save this. As we have the next one and the previous one. So that's it for the pagination. In the next video of the series, I'm going to talk about labels inside Bootstrap and how you can use them to, with different colors and all. So thanks for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe, and see you in the next one.